There is a lesson about relationships that many men only understand after they have been hurt. Sometimes the strongest thing you can do is stop chasing what no longer gives you peace. When a relationship ends, your first instinct may be to explain yourself, send another message, or prove that you were worth choosing. You may believe that if you say the right words or show enough patience, the other person will finally understand what they lost. But real self-respect begins when you stop trying to control someone else's decision. Walking away does not mean you stopped caring. It means you finally understand that love cannot survive where respect, effort, and mutual commitment are missing. And that is where your absence becomes meaningful. Not because silence is some secret weapon designed to make an ex regret leaving you, but because distance creates clarity. When you are constantly available, both people can become accustomed to the comfort you provide. Your messages, attention, support, and presence can slowly become part of everyday life. When that connection ends, the routine changes. The other person may notice the quiet. They may remember conversations, shared experiences, or moments they once overlooked. They may even reconsider their choices. But whether they regret losing you is no longer the point. The point is that you are no longer waiting for their reaction to determine your value. That is the real transformation. At first, walking away can feel incredibly difficult. Your mind may replay old conversations. You may wonder whether you should have tried harder. You may check your phone hoping for a message that changes everything. Those feelings are normal. But you cannot build a better future while constantly standing inside the doorway of your past. Instead of asking, "How can I make her miss me?" ask a more powerful question. Why did I allow myself to become so dependent on someone else's attention? That question changes everything. Because the goal is not revenge. The goal is recovery. Stop sending messages simply to get a reaction. Stop checking social media looking for clues. Stop creating situations designed to make someone jealous. And stop measuring your progress by whether an ex notices you. Your life is bigger than one relationship. Put that energy somewhere productive. Train your body, improve your skills, build your career, spend time with people who genuinely value you. Take care of your mental and emotional well-being. Create goals that have nothing to do with your former relationship. The strongest comeback is not making someone regret losing you. It is becoming so comfortable with your own life that you no longer need their regret to feel successful. Eventually, something important happens. The memories become quieter. The urge to reach out becomes weaker. You stop wondering what they are doing. And one day, you realize that the person you were desperately trying to get back was not actually the life you needed. That is when healing becomes real. Maybe your former partner eventually realizes your value. Maybe they do not. You cannot control that. People process breakups differently, and nobody can predict exactly what another person will feel months or years later. What you can control is who you become after the relationship ends. You can remain trapped in resentment, or you can use the experience as a turning point. You can keep asking why they did not appreciate you, or you can start appreciating yourself. You can spend another year hoping for a message, or you can spend that year building a life you are genuinely proud of. And remember this, walking away should never be about punishing someone. Walk away because peace matters. Walk away because your boundaries matter. Walk away because relationships should involve mutual effort, not one person constantly proving their worth. And if someone eventually comes back, do not automatically reopen the door just because you miss them. Look at their actions. Look for accountability. Look for consistency. Ask whether the relationship has genuinely changed or whether loneliness simply brought two people back together. Your future deserves better than repeating the same cycle. So if you are currently struggling to let go, take a breath. You do not need to win the breakup. You do not need to make anyone jealous. You do not need to become successful just so someone from your past notices you. Become stronger because your life deserves your full attention. Your silence is not the victory. Your healing is. Your growth is. Your peace is. And eventually, the greatest proof that you moved forward will not be what your ex thinks about you. It will be the fact that you no longer need to know. So if you are standing in that painful place right now, remember this. You do not need her regret to prove that you mattered. You do not need her to come back to prove that you were worth loving. And you certainly do not need to destroy yourself trying to make someone finally recognize your value. Let her have her choices. Let the past remain in the past. Your responsibility now is to rebuild the man who was buried beneath all that chasing, overthinking, disappointment, and emotional exhaustion. Get stronger. Get wiser. Protect your peace. Build your future. And become so focused on the life ahead of you that you no longer feel the need to turn around and see who is watching. Because the ultimate victory after heartbreak is not hearing, "I miss you." It is waking up one morning and realizing you genuinely do not need to hear it anymore. That is when you know you have healed. That is when you know you have grown. And that is when you finally understand the deepest lesson of walking away. You were never supposed to spend your life convincing someone of your worth. The right people will recognize it through your character, your consistency, and the way you live. So keep moving forward, not to make her regret losing you, not to make her jealous, not to prove anything to anyone. Do it because there is still a better version of your life waiting for you. And the moment you stop looking backward is the moment you finally become free. If this message spoke directly to something you have been going through, comment "I choose myself" below. And if you want more psychology, relationship insights, and lessons about becoming a stronger and more grounded man, subscribe to the channel. Your past may explain where you came from, but it does not get to decide where you are going. Keep moving forward. Your next chapter starts now.